everyone, and special hello to you for watching this video. Today I'm going to make an outfit for Kevin. I'm going to make a shirt and pants. The shirt is just easy pattern. I just put a doll on and take the measurement of the doll from on the paper and make my pattern for that. And for the pants, this doll actually came with this pants, so I just inside out, and I use this pattern of this pants, just fold the pattern off, and I just use this pants as a pattern for the pants because I know this pants fits him. So yeah, there's my patterns, and then I made the I'm going to use this stretchy material. This nice is blue for his shirt, and then this dark blue for the pants. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so just put a pattern for the paper material in half, and place it on a fold here, and then just with the pen trace around the pattern. Okay, there's it. So now I saw that the arms is going to be way too wide, so I just sew it a bit in here on both sides and made it longer. So now just to cut it out. Oh, actually, you must put the right sides together. And then sew just around there. So sew it here, and because it's a stretchy material, I'm going to sew it close on this side as well. If it's not stretchy like denim or something like that, then just sew it half to here, and then you put that piece of Velcro. I'm not going to do that because I don't even need to put elastic in. Just going to sew it close here, and then when it's close there, I'm just going to sew it all around here close as well. Okay. There you go. Now that in a brand new outfit. So next I'm going to make him a onesie as well. So yeah, the last onesie, and all the family members will have onesies then. So see you in the next one. Bye.